Open the Jimmy Jeep.
You have worked with Yash Raj films. How inspirational was Yash ji for you?
I think not just for me, I think for every filmmaker, every aspiring filmmaker, every technician that aspires to work in the industry. SG has been an icon, I think, until the day that probably his film is now coming out. And I think, very, very fortunate, I think, in a country of 1 billion people where I think everybody wants to be part of the film industry. I've been fortunate enough not only to be part of the film industry, but to be a part of this banner, to have worked for 10 years in this office. I think I'm very blessed.
His last film, and this is a very special night. So how are you going to remember this premiere of Jab Tak Hai Jaan?
I think by keeping the premiere invitation and showing it to my kids and their kids that I actually went for this premiere.
Okay, and it's a Shah Rukh Khan and Yash Chopra coming together, but unfortunately Yash ji is not among us. But everybody expects a lot from a Yash Raj film along with Shah Rukh Khan. So what are your expectations from this film?
I think monumental, and I'm sure it'll live up to every expectation of every cinegoer in the country and worldwide.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello, Shahid. Shahid, this is a remembrance of Yash Chopra's film called Jab Tak Hai Jaan. What expectations have you come with?
I'm very sure I'm going to love the film. I'm a huge Yash Chopra fan. I think Yash ji has been relevant for more years than any legend has ever been, and it's a privilege to be here to be seeing his film. I feel very fortunate, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm very, very sure that it'll be one of his finest films, a film that we will remember for a long time to come. So I'm just looking forward to seeing the film and enjoying myself.
It's after 8 years, Shah Rukh and Yash ji did this film.
After Veer Zara?
Yeah,
Yes.
after Veer Zara. So what do you have to say about the king of romance and the creator of romance?
Well, what more needs to be said? I think it's an absolutely outstanding combination. We've all been fans since I was in school, since I was in college. I've seen their films, and I've always wanted love to happen like that in my life, and that's what Yash ji's cinema has always been about, celebrating life, celebrating love, and I'm so happy that they're having a premiere today in his memory, which is celebrating the film that he's made, because I think that is the right spirit. And I'm here in exactly the same capacity to celebrate the release of one of the finest filmmakers that we've had, and a film that I'm really looking forward to see.
You've worked with YRF Films.
Yes.
Any fond memories of Yash ji coming across?
Yes, he is, he is remembered and will always be remembered as one of the most jovial people. Always had a smile on his face. He would always fire us and tell us how we should start making films faster and not worry and think so much about them, and that good films get made and one shouldn't ever worry about it. And he always had a very positive spirit, and he was like a father figure. I mean, I didn't meet him too often, but whenever I have interacted with him, there was a lot of positivity that I got from him, and I mean, everybody met him with a certain amount of awe, and I was no different.
Can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali?
Yes, wishing everybody a very, very happy and a safe Diwali.
Thank you so much. It's really honor of in the remembrance of Yash ji's untimely death. The premiere is being held. What are your expectations from the film, and what do you have to say about Yash ji as a filmmaker?
Yash ji as a filmmaker, I think there's very little left to say. Everyone knows that. I remember him more personally from my time working here. He was always the most, the sweetest and the most humble man. He was the kind of guy who, anybody who he met, you always felt like he was very, very happy to meet you. So no matter how important you are or how low down the food chain you are, you always got the sense that this is a guy who is happy to meet you, and he would talk to you very sweetly. Very, very sweet man, and I do miss him. I do miss his presence here. As for the film, I'm expecting it to be, I mean, what do we expect from Yash Chopra? We expect those classic romantic moments, which honestly I feel nowadays in a lot of films we don't get. Sometimes the emotions are a little superficial nowadays, so I'm hoping to see something like that.
It's going to be Yash Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan, Yash Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan's film, and they're coming. They did this film after 8 years. So what do you have to say about the king of romance and the creator of romance?
Well, if it's anything like the last one, I think everyone's expectations will be met. Honestly, I don't want to speculate too much about it. I've tried to stay away from watching the promos so that I can watch it fresh.
Okay, can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali?
Of course. Hi, मैं हूं इमरान खान और आप सबको मेरी तरफ से दिवाली मुबारक.
Thank you so much.
राजा को बोलते जो इधर बाइट नहीं हो रहा वो लेता जाए.
आमिर खान आमिर खान
अच्छे का हुआ उधर ना जो लेता जाएगा.
अरे हिलाओ मत यार.
हिलाओ मत. Hi, good evening.
आमिर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आज ग्रैंड प्रीमियर रखा गया है यश
जी,
की
जी,
याद में.
जी.
जब तक है जान उनकी लास्ट फिल्म है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? किस तरह से याद करेंगे उन्हें आप एज अ फिल्म मेकर?
ये दिन बड़ा ख़ास है हम सब के लिए और आई एम वेरी कीन टू सी द फिल्म. यश जी की आखिरी फिल्म है और यकीनन बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म होगी और मेरी शुभकामनाएं किरण और मेरी शुभकामनाएं पूरे टीम को. हमारी दुआ ये है कि ये फ़िल्म बहुत ही कामयाब हो. जितनी फिल्में यशराज ने बनाई हैं उन सब के सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी इस फिल्म को मिले और सारे रिकॉर्ड हमारी दुआ है कि ये सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़े और दर्शकों को खूब मज़ा आए फिल्म देखने का और जो उनकी आखिरी फिल्म है वो उसका एक नशा छा जाए हम सब पर.
It's a Yashraj film along with Shah Rukh Khan. So, any expectations from the film because they have given hits after hits, both of them?
Certainly, I think that they have been a combination which has always given successes और यकीनन इस दफ़ा भी उनकी फिल्म कामयाब होगी यही हमारी दुआ है. Thank you. I don't want to comment on that.
Diwali wishes, please, Amir.
Okay, and Amir was putting a very different type of dress.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Well, दिवाली मुबारक सभी लोगों को और ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. नया साल मुबारक.
Thank you so much, Amir.
Imran gave bites.
Imran gave bites, yeah? Arjun Sonam.
Wedding for a wedding after. Yeah, that's what Puneet is known for.
I've been trying to reach the right topic. Every time I try to reach someone new, I'm not my
Sona Khan.
You want me to wait?
Arjun, come Arjun.
Let's do together. Yeah. Okay.
Sonam, first of all, looking very pretty.
Thank you.
Tell us something about what you're wearing.
It's
Achha, thank you.
yeah, he's looking so good, right? He's my date for tonight. He's wearing Dolce & Gabbana, and I'm wearing Elisa Couture.
Sonam, you're here to remember Yash Chopra,
Yes.
and this is a grand premiere of his film. So, what do you have to say about him as a filmmaker, and what are your expectations for this film?
He was a legend, and it's a beautiful way to celebrate his life. And I love the music of the film. I love the way it's looking, and I was very excited about the promos, and I'm even more excited now. So I'm dying to see the film.
Arjun,
you made a debut with Yash Raj.
Yes.
So it must be a bittersweet day for you.
It was an honor and it remains an honor, and I feel privileged that I can be part of the celebration for Yash Uncle. Truly the most iconic director, producer of our generation. We've grown up watching his cinema. I think everybody unanimously in our country has. So it's the most perfect way to celebrate the man in his studio, to watch his film. I think it's the perfect way.
You've worked with YRF. Any fond memories of Yash ji while shooting? Both of you all actually. Both of you.
Well, while shooting, no, because I did a film which was produced by him. It was just an honor. The fondest memory that I hold on to and I always will cherish is the first time I saw Ishaq Zade was in this studio, in the theatre, with him watching it. And I think just to be in the same theatre to watch my first film with Yash Chopra and Pamela Chopra sitting and watching it was the most surreal experience, and I'll hold on to that forever and ever. And he came out and he appreciated the hard work and effort we all had put in, and he loved the film. That's the nicest moment. Any actor, young actor, needs that motivation and that encouragement that he provided. And he was the youngest person in the studio and in our industry by leaps and bounds.
So now, white was like the trademark.
Exactly, that's what I wore. That's what I wore. Yeah.
So you have to say, you want to say anything about
Yeah,
that?
well, that's what I wanted to wear white today, so that's why I wore it, because I know he loved white.
Okay, so now it's been Shah Rukh is called the king of romance, and Yash ji.
Exhausted.
Because I'm wearing a gown.
Oh, but you're looking gorgeous.
After party, I'm going home wearing pajamas and coming back.
Parineeti, it's a big night tonight. What's on your mind right now?
Yeah, I was here this morning. I'm here every day for work, whatever. And it's a very different feeling. I wish SG was also here. I can't believe he's not here. But I'm very excited. I'm just going to treat it as a movie screening and I'm going to go.
You are a Yash Raj heroine.
Yes.
And that has a special place of its own in every heroine's career.
Yeah.
So what does that really mean to you? What is Yash Raj heroine?
Well, it's not as good as being a Yash Chopra heroine.
Yeah.
So Katrina and Anushka are very, 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 thank you. Katrina and Anushka are very, very lucky. But I'm also equally lucky that I've signed a 3-film deal, so I'll get to do 3 films or more here. And it's the best thing that an actress can ask for. But more importantly, Adi and Yash are people really worth working for.
Yeah. What does the film like remind you of? Does it remind you of a romance that you haven't seen in a while? Or?
No, this is what I've told Yash also, that it's classic Yash, but a younger Yash.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to from the film apart from
I don't know. You know what? It's so strange. I don't know what to expect from film. I'm just going to watch it because now we've become so emotional with the film because Yash is not here now. Every day we come, every day we talk about him. But I'm just watching it just to see a film. I'm not expecting anything.
Okay, Parineeti, talking about you worked with YRS. Any fond memories of Yash ji when you were shooting? Have you come across him and
Yeah, Yash ji was a person who used to call me, "Hey Parineeti, आज खाने में क्या बना है?" He's that kind of person. I used to discuss food with him. I used to, he used to tell me, "अच्छा तुम अभी इतना weight lose करो या अभी तुम्हें weight lose करने की." It was such a friendly relationship with him that now when I go on to the 3rd floor to meet him, I don't see him anymore. I just miss a really cool friend. Yeah.
enjoying the movie? Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pasha, looking absolutely stunning.
Thank you. Thank you. Closer to you, I'm wearing a Nandita Mahatani
Pasha, looking
outfit.
gorgeous for this big night.
Yes.
What's running through your mind right now?
I want to see a good movie, and it's a Yash Chopra film. It's going to be an iconic film. It's his last film.
Two style divas together.
And look at this. There's a handsome prince here. She's like a princess only. Yeah, so it's Yash Chopra's last film. It's going to be an iconic film. It's going to be a landmark film. I think everyone's excited about the film. And we want a little bit of romance in our lives. Yeah, I guess that's why we are all here.
Pasha, what has Yash Chopra taught you about romance through his films?
I think he showed us a dream that it's possible to fall in love like that. You know, it's possible to love with all your heart. You know, our lives have turned a little bit very materialistic, and we're all driven with different things in life. But I think he taught us through his films that romance is eternal. So it's something that we are all looking for somewhere. Yeah, I guess.
Any fond memories because you worked with YRF films? So any fond
I'm very attached to this banner. I have done Mere Yar Ki Shaadi, I have done Bachna Hasino. I've been a part of their films, and they are just a wonderful family. Yeah, lovely to work with them.
Thanks so much. Have a great time.
Thank you.
Can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali, please?
Yeah, anywhere? Yeah. Hi, this is Bipasha Basu wishing everyone a very happy and safe Diwali.
Thank you.
Thank you.
भाई आगे जाके बहुत गड़बड़ कर दिया।
ये रणवीर सिंह भी आएगा ना? क्या स्टोरी
राजू शॉर्ट तो
क्या चाहिए आपको? चाहिए शॉर्ट? नहीं वो तो मैंने किया है। आपको चाहिए?
because it's no water. No water.
Excuse me.
Come this side.
आपके भरोसे हूँ मैं। फ्रेम
क्या बोल रही हूँ? Hello. Ranveer, you have been a part of Yash Raj's films. Today is Yash Ji's grand premiere. How do you remember him as a filmmaker, and what are your expectations from this his last film?
Yash Ji has been a large part of the reason that I wanted to be in films. I've grown up watching his films, loving his films, and he kind of inspired me to want to be a part of this wonderful craft. I'll always cherish him as a filmmaker. He is an icon in the true sense of the word. It's a big loss to cinema as a whole, but he'll be immortal through his films. And he wanted a grand premiere for this, which is his last film. I don't think any event is too big to celebrate such an illustrious life, illustrious career, but I think Adi sir and his team have done a fab job, and I'm looking forward to seeing the film. It should be a vintage Yash Ji. Nobody does romance like Yash Ji, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. Should be a fun and emotional ride.
You debuted with the YRF films. Any fond memories of him while you were shooting for your first film or second film? Any fond memories you have come across him while shooting?
He used to always meet me, and he used to give me a pat on the back, and that's really all I needed. I would bump into him here at the studio, and we would chat about work and what's going on, and we would just have words of encouragement. And pat on the back from Yash Ji is all the motivation you need to do your best.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan is Shah Rukh's and Yash Ji's film together after 8 years, and a lot of expectations from both of them. So what are your expectations from both of them?
Well, I am the wrong person to ask because I'm biased. I am so closely associated with Yash Ji and the Chopra family that I'm going to love the film irrespective. But I think the conditions and circumstances under which this film is releasing, it really is beyond all commercial considerations. It really doesn't matter how the film is going to do, what club it's going to join, or whatever. It's all, it doesn't matter. It's Yash Ji's last film, posthumous film, and it's special just on account of that.
It's Diwali. Can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali, please?
Hi, this is Ranveer Singh, wishing all the viewers a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali.
Thank you so much.
No more events of cheer and like all around. तो बुलाएंगे तो बच्चे
आप इतनी कहो घूम जाओ।
बहुत बढ़िया
तो पूरी फैमिली
आराम से आराम से आराम से
नहीं देंगे भाई। यश का नहीं देखा है।
मैं पीछे हूँ, कितना पीछे हो जाऊँ बताओ। पूरे दो दो करके आ जाओ भाई, पहले दो बाद में दो। नहीं चारों को पकड़ो, चारों एक साथ, चारों एक साथ, चारों एक साथ। पीछे कौन है? अभी भी आया था क्या? हाँ तुम्हारा वो कैमरा नहीं नहीं तुम्हारा नहीं सॉरी।
दंगा हो रहा है वहाँ पे।
आगे तो जाते ही एक साल निकल पता है। बूम पीछे यार अभी।
सर आज ग्रैंड प्रीमियर है यश जी की लास्ट फिल्म का, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बहुत बड़ी नाइट है यश जी के
जी। क्या कहें, ये यश जी की आखिरी फिल्म है और जाहिर है कि इतना सारा समय हमने उनके साथ बिताया, इतनी अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में बनाई उनके साथ। बहुत उत्सुक हैं हम अंदर जाने के लिए। जैसे ही आप लोग पीछा हमारा छोड़ेंगे तो हम अंदर जाएंगे।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? 8 साल बाद शाहरुख और यश जी ने एक साथ फिल्म की थी, तो कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेकर आए अमित जी आप?
जाने तो दीजिए, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ बहुत उत्सुक हूँ मैं जाने के लिए। धन्यवाद।
अब कौन है यार?
वेलकम कर रहा है मिस्टर बच्चन को। ये सब शॉट्स ना इस रेखा जी दे, अबे ब्लर्ड आ रहा है। ये निकल गया तेरा। क्या निकल गया? वो नहीं देगी यार। क्या हुआ? कौन था यहाँ? मैं नहीं पकड़ पाऊंगी इतने। मैं नहीं पकड़ पाऊंगी।
पैर निकालो, पैर।
अभी
क्या हो रहे हैं यार? नहीं यार
मुझे ना ये नीचे रखना पड़ेगा।
क्या बूम? अरे नहीं नहीं ऐसा मत करो।
आपका कौन सा वाला है?
न्यू जैक्स। कोई तो एक पकड़ो।
बाकी कहाँ था?
देखना।
Okay, I'll redo all of them. Okay, I'll call you back. I'm going to redo them.
ये यार नीचे रखो ना यार।
I'll just one by.
मेरा तो
बताओ अंदर की खबर क्या? पहले शुरू हो गई तो मैं भाग जाऊँ।
Okay. Julie, you have been a Yash Raj heroine. You worked with Yash ji. Any fond memories of him, because this is his last film's premiere?
Yeah.
So how will you remember him as a director, filmmaker?
One of the greatest, in fact the saddest part of this is that उनकी तरह जैसे फिल्में बनती थी. I mean everybody, right from heroines to audience, always looked for कि यश जी की रोमांटिक फिल्म आएगी तो हमेशा ऐसा लगता था हम उस फिल्म में हों, whether as a heroine or even as an audience, because वो पंजाबीपन, वो रोमांस, वो मस्ती और
ठहराव भी, एक खूबसूरती भी, एक हीरोइंस को प्रेजेंट करने का एक तरीका जो हमेशा वो शिफॉन साड़ीज़, वो बारिश में भीगना, वो सब बहुत सुंदरता से रोमांस दिखाना, वो उनका स्टाइल, वो उनके साथ चला गया। आई डोंट थिंक अब कोई ऐसा बनाता है।
जी, अगर बात करें यश चोपड़ा जी की, तो शाहरुख को किंग ऑफ रोमांस बोला जाता है और उनको रोमांस की क्रिएटर बोला जाता है। तो 8 साल बाद एक साथ फिल्म कर रहे हैं वो मतलब उनकी फिल्म आ रही है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस फिल्म के बारे में स्पेसिफिकली?
जब तक है जान एक अजीब खासियत है इस फिल्म में। आई एम श्योर इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म। मैंने उनकी वीर ज़ाया भी उनके प्रीमियर पे ही जाकर देखी थी और बहुत खूबसूरत लगी थी मुझे। कि इस फिल्म का टाइटल भी जब तक है जान है और उसके साथ ही यश जी चले गए। यानी कि इस टाइटल को भी देखिए कि लास्ट तक वो एक फिल्म बना रहे थे। उनका पूरा जीवन आई थिंक सिर्फ फिल्म बनाने के लिए था, एंड जब तक है जान वो एक फिल्म बना कर गए। एक अजीब सी खूबसूरती है इस बात में। 60 years of a career, glorious career and a glorious finish.
जो ही एक तरफ जब तक है जान रिलीज हो रही है, दूसरी तरफ आपकी फिल्म SOS रिलीज हो रही है, तो क्या
मैंने वो फिल्म भी नहीं देखी, ना मैंने जब तक है जान देखी है, ना मैंने सना सरदार देखी है।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You are here to support Yash Ji's last film, and
because I have memories of him.
Yes, and but what are your expectations? Because you are a part of SOS, and
दिवाली इज़ अ फेस्टिव टाइम। सब लोग पिक्चरें देखने या एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए जाते हैं। What's beautiful is दोनों का जॉनर एकदम अलग है। जब तक है जान will not be anything like सना सरदार, and सना सरदार will not be anything like जब तक है जान। तो चाहे आप ये बोलें कि थिएटर किसको मिल रहा है या क्या है, वो दोनों फिल्में अलग हैं। एंड जिस फिल्म को आप अगर रोमांस देखना चाहेंगे तो आप सना सरदार में नहीं जाएंगे, मतलब आप जाएंगे मगर उसमें मस्ती है, वो अलग ही रोमांस है, वो अलग ही कॉमेडी है, एक्शन है। यहाँ पर एक अलग ही खूबसूरती होगी। तो आई एम ग्लैड अगर 2 रोमांटिक फिल्में आती तो वी वुड से कि अरे ये तो सही नहीं है। बट हैव अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल दिवाली। बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सबको दिवाली की। बहुत सारी धन संपत्ति, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य, खुशी ये दिवाली आप सबके लिए लेकर आए।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yash Chopra, heroine. What fond memories, because this is his last film's premiere.
Well, I think he was very young at heart. वो बहुत ही जिंदा दिल इंसान थे और उन्हें रोमांस बहुत पसंद था। जिस तरीके से वो रोमांस स्क्रीन पे दिखाते थे, ना ही उन्होंने टीनी बॉय पर रोमांस दिखाया, लेकिन हर रोमांस में जैसे लम्हे थी या जैसे कभी कभी थी, यू नो, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ रोमांस ही इज डेल्ट विद। सिलसिला, दिल तो पागल है, तो मुझे लगता है हम वो बहुत मिस करेंगे।
मैम, शाहरुख और यश जी का कॉम्बिनेशन काफ़ी बढ़िया रहा है, काफ़ी हिट फिल्म की है दोनों ने। इस फिल्म से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेकर आई है आप?
बहुत आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वॉचिंग दिस फिल्म, क्योंकि मैं एक यश चोपड़ा फ़ैन हूँ खुद, क्योंकि मुझे उनके फिल्म्स बहुत पसंद हैं। तो ऑफ कोर्स दैट कॉम्बिनेशन हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन वेरी डायनामिक, तो आज मैं आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। थैंक यू। चले पहले तो अपना बैरिकेडिंग लगा ना।
बहुत यार, इसको पता है मैं बाइक नहीं दे रहा हूँ मीडिया को, किसको दे दूँ? शाहरुख
मीडिया को बाइक नहीं दे रहा,
नहीं दे
दे के तो गया, अब बॉस दे के गया।
कैसे आ रहा है?
हेलो,
हाय अक्षय। अक्षय ग्रैंड
Happy Diwali.
हैप्पी दिवाली टू यू। ग्रैंड प्रीमियर बोला गया हमें कि बहुत ही अलग है, अंदर भी हमने तो देखा नहीं है, अब आप जाके देखने वाले क्या पूरा इंतजाम है, द वे आदित्य एंड उदय हैव डेकोरेटेड द होल थिंग, सो व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू, यू नो इट्स यशी's लास्ट फिल्म?
Well, even I don't know. I'm also going to go and maybe we can do this interview after I come back. What do you think?
No.
Because then
यश चोपड़ा की फिल्म में
I think see, they are grand people. They're a grand company. So obviously everything is going to be huge. And Yashji was always known to make their films in such a big and a huge way. So I'm expecting that only.
आप दोनों से दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं चाहते हैं आपके फैंस को।
मेरे और मेरे परिवार की तरफ से आप सबके और आप सबके परिवार को बहुत बहुत दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
नहीं अभी नहीं। हाँ
बाद में अलाउड नहीं है।
अभिषेक बाद में अलाउड है। अभिषेक क्विक बाइट, क्विक बाइट।
हम निकल जाएंगे। प्लीज मैम, प्लीज मैम, प्लीज मैम, प्लीज मैम,
प्लीज मैम,
आपको जो बोलना मैं बोलूँगी।
हैप्पी दिवाली, कांग्रेचुलेशंस बाय द वे वी आर ईटिंग नाउ।
तुम यार कान का फोटो ले रहे हो।
हाय, कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
Yes, congratulations.
अभिषेक, आज प्यार का दिन मनाया जा रहा है, सेलिब्रेशन है, क्या
यश जी की लास्ट फिल्म है जब तक है जान, इट्स अ ग्रैंड।
Somebody like Yash Uncle will never make his last film. I think Yash Uncle will be remembered forever, and his work, if you see this wonderful gallery, speaks for itself. And we're all here in remembrance of him to celebrate him. And I think it's a wonderful gesture on behalf of Adi and Uday and Pam Aunty कि आज they're celebrating his premiere, and that's exactly how he would have liked it.
Happy Diwali to you all.
Happy Diwali likewise, and we love Yash ji, and Yash ji's work will always be loved, and today we're celebrating him. And that's what
Thank you.
Thanks guys.
अमित जी, सर प्लीज सर।
ऋतिक रोशन वहाँ किया है ना। ऋतिक
वो अकेले नहीं पकड़ पाएगी यार।
पीछे की लाइट डालनी चाहिए ना अंदर।
वहाँ पर लिट्टी डालेगी, सब पीछे।
पहले इधर
आ रहे हैं।
खत्म हो जाएगा। नीचे यार, थोड़ा विजुअल तो मारा। माइक नीचे रखो।
थोड़ा सा आगे।
सर टू बिगिन विद बहुत ही ग्रैंड एंट्री हुई आपकी, पटाखे बज रहे थे बाहर।
हाँ शाहरुख, जैसे आप लोगों ने एंट्री की, इतनी जोरदार पटाखे बजना शुरू हो गए।
पीछे जब तक जान में भी आता ना, जब चलता हूँ मैं ऐसे आर्मी यूनिफॉर्म के अंदर, तो बॉम्ब्स पीछे पड़ते हैं और साथ में बॉम्ब्स चलते हैं।
तो ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, जब आगाज इतना शानदार है, पटाखेदार है, तो कल का अंदाज कितना खूबसूरत होगा।
अगर हम ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे, सिर्फ ये बोलेंगे कि हमारी फिल्म के द्वारा लोगों को खुशी हो। और हम अभी अंदर थिएटर देख के आए हैं। मैं दुनिया भर घुमा हूँ, प्रिंट्स गया हुआ हूँ, दुनिया के सारे थिएटर देखे, लेकिन जो पैम आंटी, आदित्य चोपड़ा और उदय चोपड़ा जी ने अंदर बनाया है, उससे खूबसूरत मुझे लगता नहीं कि कोई भी थिएटर या ऐसा कोई जगह है जहाँ पे हम यश जी की पिक्चर दिखा सकते हैं। सो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड एवरीबडी इज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दिस इवनिंग एंड इवनिंग्स टू कम।
यशराज की अगर हम बात करें तो पहली बार प्रीमियर हो रहा है, इतना ग्रैंड तरीके से किया जा रहा है, तो कितनी खुशी हो रही है। इसका शुरुआत दस्तक आप लोगों से ही शुरू हुई है, तो हाउ यू फील दिस?
Yeah, first we're very sorry. I think some of the people are waiting to enter. the premiere, and I'm extremely thrilled because that's how ESG would have wanted us to be very happy at the release of his film. Of course, the fact that he's not here will be sorely missed, emotionally missed. But having said that, ESG would have wanted nothing else but to be able to have this kind of happiness.
Katrina, just tell us about this grand premiere and all. आप थोड़ा slow बोल के थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए.
Slow means soft.
It's amazing inside what the family have done, what Adi's done, what Pamanti's done. It's unbelievable. I know that personally that Adi's been kind of completely absent in the last week. His mind has been shut off apart from everything else except this premiere. That's the way Yashi wanted it, and he wanted to do it in the best possible way he possibly could. And I'm just hoping that the whole evening is something to remember and that it comes off exactly as what Yashi would have wanted.
अनुष्का,
talking to you.
अनुष्का, आपको क्या लगता है जब तक होगी जान तब तक इस प्रीमियर को लोग याद रखेंगे?
जी?
जब तक होगी जान इस प्रीमियर को लोग याद रखेंगे?
I think so. I mean, I've not seen anything as grand as this in my life at least, and I'm sure this is one of the most important nights of our life, if not the most. So
And you being
really
the
happy.
eldest, I mean, we also haven't seen.
Huh?
You being the eldest, we also
Correct.
haven't
And
seen
since I'm
anything
the
in our
older
lives.
one,
Yeah, she's the
older than both of them, I can say that, and you should listen.
आपने कई बार तारीफ की है अपनी दोनों एक्ट्रेसेस की, मगर आज इस खास मौके पर इन खास कपड़ों में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
मैं एक्चुअली चाहता हूँ कि ये दोनों मेरी तारीफ करें आज, मेरी वाइट बोटाई की, मेरे टक्सीडो की, और बताएं कि मैं कितना खूबसूरत हूँ. प्लीज बोलो.
I love the white bow tie.
थैंक यू कटरीना.
I didn't notice it. Wait.
बिकॉज मेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं आती, बोटाई नहीं दिख रही.
No, actually, I prefer your jacket. It's better.
They're both beautiful and they're so wonderful, and I feel genuinely, like in a strange sense, the senior most member of this team, including Adi and everyone, and I'm so happy that we can look after them and make sure that this is a happy occasion, a happy film, and a wonderful experience for both of them and everyone in the film.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you guys. Happy Diwali to everyone.
एक विश कर दीजिए ना.
Happy Diwali to everyone who's watching this.
Thank